Hi everybody, happy Sunday. I'm out here on Park County Road 34, Packer Lane, heading over to the Tarryall Road to explore some old historic sites and cabins and ghost towns. Should be visiting at least about 5 sites and making videos with my Inspire 2 drone that is recently repaired by DJI. Thanks DJI. Thanks everybody for watching my videos and enjoying my photos. One of my more favorite historic sites on the Tarryall Road here, this old cabin from perhaps 1945 or 1950, post World War II. You can tell that the cabin has been preserved very well. It's protected by the winds out of the north by the rock outcroppings, as well. The chinking between the logs is of the mortar variety with pulverized asbestos mixed into the mortar, which preserved the cabin very well over time. This cabin is on the Tarryall Road, right off the road. You really can't miss it. This is the Waterfall on the Tarryall Reservoir at the State Wildlife Area. Here is the Homestead at Lazy River Ranch on the Tarryall Road, an old cabin from the 1940s that people would have rented when they came fishing after World War II and enjoyed the Tarryall Road on a trip up perhaps from Colorado Springs. The cabin is in great condition on the Tarryall Road. Beautiful wood log siding and white casement windows. Tarryall Road, the homestead at the Lazy River.